California, known for its strong democratic leanings and progressive policies, recently made headlines by revoking 17,000 commercial driver's licenses that had been issued to immigrants. This significant move comes amid increased federal scrutiny over the state's licensing practices. The decision was prompted by concerns that some licenses had expiration dates extending beyond the legal period of residency for the drivers. While California has often positioned itself as a defender of immigrant rights, this action highlights the complex balance between state policies and federal regulations. The controversy has sparked debate about the responsibilities of states in enforcing immigration laws, especially in areas where state and federal priorities may conflict. The revocation of 17,000 commercial driver's licenses in California was prompted by a critical discovery. Many of these licenses had expiration dates that extended beyond the period the drivers were legally allowed to remain in the United States. This discrepancy came to light during increased federal scrutiny, especially after a high-profile truck accident involving an unauthorized driver. According to state law, the expiration date of a commercial license must match the driver's legal immigration status. By issuing licenses with dates that surpassed this limit, California inadvertently allowed some non-citizen drivers to operate vehicles without valid legal authorization. This situation not only violated state regulations, but also raised concerns at the federal level about compliance with national standards. In response to California's issuance of commercial driver's licenses to immigrants, the federal government has taken a firm stance. U.S. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy has played a central role in this development, criticizing California's licensing practices and expressing concerns over compliance with federal regulations. Following a fatal truck crash in Florida involving an unauthorized driver, federal scrutiny intensified. Secretary Duffy threatened to withhold up to $160 million in federal funds from California, unless the state aligns its licensing procedures with federal requirements. This move underscores the federal government's leverage and its commitment to enforcing uniform standards across all states. The situation highlights the ongoing tension between state autonomy and federal oversight in matters of immigration and public safety. California has defended its approach to issuing commercial driver's licenses to immigrants, emphasizing that all affected drivers held valid federal work authorizations. State officials argue that their licensing practices were designed to comply with both state and federal guidelines. However, California law requires that the expiration dates on these licenses match the period of legal immigration status, a standard that was not met in thousands of cases. This discrepancy led to the revocation of 17,000 licenses and drew sharp criticism from federal authorities. The situation has intensified the ongoing debate between state and federal governments over how immigration policies should be enforced. While California maintains that it acted in good faith, federal officials have threatened to withhold funding unless stricter compliance is ensured. This episode underscores the complex and often contentious relationship between state autonomy and federal oversight in matters of immigration. The revocation of thousands of commercial driver's licenses in California marks a significant moment for immigrant drivers, many of whom rely on these credentials for their livelihoods. This action underscores the complex interplay between state policies and federal regulations, highlighting ongoing disagreements over how best to manage immigration and public safety. For immigrant communities, the decision raises concerns about job security and access to essential opportunities. Meanwhile, the tension between California and federal authorities may influence how other states approach similar issues in the future. As debates continue, this development is likely to shape broader conversations about the rights of non-citizens, the responsibilities of states, and the evolving landscape of U.S. immigration policy.